Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we are discussing about business letters. What is business letter? Business letter is a formal way of communication between two or more parties. Mean it's a formal way of communication. Business letter can be informational, persuasive, motivational or promotional. A business letter can be tell an employer why you want the job. Tell a company that you do not like their services. Ask someone for information mean as here the business letter can be informational. Then here ask someone for information mean it may be an informational. Talk someone in government what you think. It may be a suggestion and it may be a complaint. It may be an adjustment letter. We will also talk about these letters. Okay, elements of good letter. How a letter can be a good. The most important element of writing a good letter in your university level or whatever your level, but you should be well aware of these elements of good letter. So the most important element of writing a good letter is your ability to identify and write to your audience. If you are addressing your letter to the Department of Human Sources, mean if you are addressing to the humans, then you shouldn't use high level technical terms that only engineers can understand. Mean they are not robot to understand your technical words. You should choose very polite and something which is understandable. Okay, even if your letter is addressed to an engineering company, chances are that the personnel in human resources does not have an engineering background. So you should firstly be well aware of your audience, how they understand your words, your thinking or your suggestions, whatever you want to write in your letter. You firstly have an idea about the audience understanding. Okay, the next element is that you make sure you present your objective. आपने अपना मकसद प्रेजेंट कर दिया इन अ क्लियर एंड कंसॉइज मैनर. डू नॉट बी वैग्यू अबाउट योर ऑब्जेक्टिव. कोई भी चीज़ जो है वो एम्बिग्विटी नहीं होनी चाहिए उसमें. Another important element to remember is to remain professional. Firstly, you should use very clear and concise manner, but it should be professional. Even if you are writing a complaint letter, you remain polite and courteous. Simply state the problems along with any other relevant information and be sure to avoid threats and slander. So what's the important three things we read? Firstly, you should be aware of the audience understanding. Second, you should use very clear and concise language. Third, you should be professional and use very polite and courteous tone. Okay, now discuss about different types of formal letters. Although there are many types, basically they all have the same layouts, styles, salutation and endings. However, the information that you include in these letters differ. Mean their styles, their salutation and endings remain same, but whatever in the body of your letter may differ. Here is the closer look at different types of formal letters. First one is that sales letter, and the next is sales letter. What is sales letter? Sales letter is basically used to sell something. This is the most common form of business letter that is used in almost every field. The sales letter serves as an introduction for the customer about a product, because we have to sell a product and or the company. typical sales letter starts off with a very strong statement to capture the interest of reader, because we have to sell something. For it, the reader should act like to purchase, or this line is basically the brain of your letter, and the purpose is to get the reader to do something. These letters include strong calls to action, detail the benefit to the reader of taking the action. You should have to add the benefit to purchase your product, and include information to help the reader to act, such as including a telephone number or website link. These are the necessities to contact you. And next is acknowledgement letter. Acknowledgement, as the name indicates, that to acknowledge someone, and this letter is written by the organization or by the person to acknowledge someone about something. So acknowledgement letter is a type of letter written to the recognize someone's effort toward your objective. That letter can be individuals and organization. Next is order letter. What is order letter? And as the name is indicating, that to order something. When a buyer needs to order some goods, he writes an order letter to the seller. As on the online website, it is very common thing these days. Order letters are sent by the consumers or businesses to a manufacturer. If you are a market head, then what's your needs? You are taking or just picking on your goods from a factory, which is basically manufacturer. Then you first have to send an order letter to buy your essential or your necessary goods from that factory. Okay, it is basically the letter which are sent by the consumers or businesses to a manufacturer, retailer or wholesaler to order goods for or services. These letters must contain specific information such as model number, name of the product, and the quantities desired and expected price. Payment is sometimes included with the letter. Next is apology letter. As the name indicates, that to apology. An apology letter is written in order to express regret regarding a certain matter, which says the acknowledgement. It is also acknowledgement, but acknowledgement of mistake or issue or error along with the apology. It is a way of showing sincere regret towards the mistake along with the steps to rectify it. Means sometimes you are buying or purchasing something online, then the products you achieve is not matching. So they will send, when you write them a complaint letter, and after that they will send you a apology letter. If it is really a very desiring or deserving or passionate company which is providing you these online services, then it will send you a apology letter. After that, there is an adjustment of your products. Okay, it is a way of showing sincere regret towards the mistake along with the steps to rectify to make necessary changes to try undo the damage. Okay, apology letter may be issued by the company for the customer or to the dealer or even to an internal stakeholder. And next is complaint letter. Complaint letter is, as the name indicates, that it is just a complaint from someone. As in the beginning I just read, if you are complaining something, then at that time you should use very polite and very courteous language and tone. Complaint letter are the types of business letter written by one party to another party or entity to convey dismay about a certain issue, addressing something. It is just a address that something that is wrong with the product. to highlight a deficiency in services leading to dissatisfaction, but you should use very courteous tone. The complaint letter or the short and to the point, usually direct in nature, addressed to the company or person or department in charge. Next is appreciation letter, mean to appreciate someone. It is usually the letter which is written by the senior management to the junior management for the of convenience of gratitude, mean in order to congratulate them on a job well done or in order to motivate them. They are generally considered a positive letter displaying a gesture of goodwill which motivates the staff of their work. The appreciation letter is also followed by an appreciation mail and sometimes with a reward. Means if you are working in a business company or as you are a university student, whatever you are, but you are getting a mail after filling a survey or when like suppose you are a university student after attending quiz or your staff is very appreciate your work in that, then there is a appreciation mail from your staff. And likewise appreciation letters but having different format and styles. It is just for sake of understanding what are these. It is appreciation letter. Next talk about adjustment letter. As there are sales letter mean it is from the company to sell something. After that you buy something to for it you write them order letter, and if there is any fault you write them and complaint letter, and if you need an adjustment then you should write them adjustment letter. Adjustment letters are the ones that are sent to the customers as a response or to their claim or complaint. The adjustment can be either in customer's favor, in which case the letter should begin accordingly, and if it is not in the favor of customer, that should be kept factual with the message that you understand the complaint. Next is circular letter. These types of business letters are sent to the closed group or selected people. Mean if you are head of the organization, then like you are head of the school, then you should send your mail only to staff. After that they will circulate to the whole school or their classes one by one, but your work is to circulate only to the selected peoples with the purpose of being circulated widely. The purpose of circular letter is to either convey customers about the sales or news or intimate about important information about newly launched or built facility. In the case of business, there are also upper hierarchy. This can also be used to deliver news about the new product launched, and circular letters are also used to reach new prospect customers to let them know about the new information and new development. Inquiry letter. What is inquiry letter? Basically as to inquire something, okay, about these letters are sent for inquiry about certain information. It is basically primary purpose is to know about something. The inquiry letter is to kept short and to the point. As you have to inquire something, then you shouldn't use very informal ways. You should be to the point and directly addressing the inquiry. The person who asks query is called inquirer, and inquirer should make sure to include his address and contact details for authorities to get back them. Means you should add your mail or contact number so that whatever you want to know, the authorities will contact you back. Confirmation letter mean if you are there is discussion between two parties, If there is positive leading or there is understanding, then they will send a confirmation letter. Okay, whenever there is a discussion or mutual agreement between two parties and the discussion leads to an understanding or mutual agreement, that agreement is quoted in a confirmation letter. The confirmation letter, it's the facts and figures of discussion once again and puts it in an official format. Mean confirmation letter includes the facts and figures of discussion once again and puts in an official format. Means firstly it is not official, but confirmation mean to put after a confirmation letter you should have to put, or this indicates that it is just in a official format, confirming everything to avoid further misunderstanding. Follow up letters. Follow up mean to obey. These types of business letters acts as a reminder, following up further with a discussion. Follow up letters are usually sent after some type of initial communication. This could be a sales department thanking a customer for an order, a business reviewing the outcome of a meeting, or a job seeker inquiring about the status of his application. Mean to follow up with the further discussion. Cover letter is just as a cover of book. Cover letter explains briefly about the candidate and his interest in the job. Most of the times this is given for the job application. Recommendation letter. As we know in our practical life, whenever we are selected for a job, then there is recommendation letter from the organization. So prospective employers often ask job applicants for letters of recommendation before they hire them. Payment request letter. Payment for request of payment. The request letter contains a request for payment of a certain amount before the final date. Mean before the final date, if you want the payment, then firstly you should have to write a letter, mean payment request letter. Resignation letter mean to resign after a retirement, to resign, or before the retirement to resign. When an employee plans to leave his job, a letter of resignation is usually sent to his immediate manager, giving him a notice and letting him know about when the last day of employment will be. In many cases, the employee will also will detail his reason for leaving the company. What is standard letter? Standard letter are sent by the business to respond to certain queries or a general information. Mean general information, it may be on the daily basis. Many standard letters contain routine information about the organization and its activities. Most of the organizations have developed a format that is used on a regular basis. Okay, it includes the certain queries. That's all about for today. Thanks for watching.